So this one just got a mini operation. You know, she can't have kids no more. I'm gonna bring her home and I'm gonna keep you updated. She's looking high as hell. Oh, look at that cut. We're getting you home. So right now we're gonna go to Chico Montreal North, where she works, and we're gonna get a jacket because she has stitches and stuff. And yeah, want to be safe. Which one are we getting?
1163. J'ai compris dans 163. Moi,
Cute.
163, je serais trop là.
She's finally home. Look how happy she is. Yeah, turtleneck looking good. It's giving Flintstones 2026 vibes.